Welcome back, viewers. Now let us try out the different Nix package manager commands in the terminal and learn how to use the Nix package manager. So first you can add a Nix channel here. So this is the command to add a new channel. So what I will do is I will copy this command. We can have it is not working. Let me check. Better is I think we already have this channel installed when we install the NixOS. Better to do this command, that is nix channel / update. So let us do it. Nix channel. So this is unpacking the channels. Then what we will do is we will go back again. Add HTTPS. Okay, nix channel dash add HTTPS. Dash add HTTPS NixOS. NixOS. .org channels .org/channels, then nix packages, nix pkgs unstable, nix pk unstable. So this has added the nix package unstable channel, and now we have to again update. So it will update the channel just like you do the apt upgrade or update. It is same thing. It is updating the repos. Then you can check what packages are available in the Nix package repos. So it is Nix env dash qap. Okay, so Nix env sorry dash env qa and capital P. So it will show us all the packages that are available in the Nix environment. It will take some time because we have just added the channel, and the system installation is also new. So we wait for the Nix environment to show us the packages that are available. Oh, it is taking quite a long time to show up the packages. So the flag queue specifies a query operation. So we are querying the Nix environment. Aim is that you want to show the available packages, that is the installable packages, as opposed to the installed package. So it will not show the installed packages that are installed on the system, but it will show which packages can be installed or which further packages can be installed on the system. And P prints the attribute paths that can be used ambiguously select a package for installation listed in the first column. If you download the Nix packages yourself, or you have checked it out in the GitHub, then you need to pass the path to your Nix package tree using the F flag. Okay. Now let us see if something killed the query, or maybe the query took too long a time. That's why it got killed automatically. So what we can best do is we have to run the query again. I think there will be a lot of packages. That's why it is taking too long to uh, return us the variables, that is the packages that can be installed. But since the list is very long, the query gets killed either by the server or by the local system. That is, my system itself is killing the query. or it is being killed by the server. We will do it just once, because right now the network speed, network bandwidth is quite good. There should be no issue to quickly get the packages that can be installed from the server. The server is here, that is the nixos.org channel. So these are the repo server. Okay, so the query is getting killed. So I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do some other operations from the terminal on the Nix package manager. So see you in the next video. Bye.